interest, what was your own doctoral work on?
My doctoral work at the University of Birmingham was on the cosmological argument for God's existence. I did a history of this argument and then a critical examination of the three basic types that I identified and defended in particular this version that I call the Kalam cosmological argument. And when I started my studies in Birmingham with Professor Hick, he said to me, "Bill, don't you think that the cosmological argument is like beating a dead horse?" And I thought, oh my goodness, my advisor, thinks my thesis topic is a dead horse. I said, well, no, I think it's really useful. And when we got to the end of my studies, and he read the complete thesis, he told me he took it to a physicist at the University of Birmingham and said, would you read this section? I don't know the physics. Is this correct? And the physicist came back and said, everything he says here is absolutely correct. And Hick said to me, why don't the theologians know about this? And I said to him, I couldn't resist at this point. It was 2 years later, I said, do you still think that the cosmological argument is beating a dead horse? He said, no, not at all. So that was my work in Birmingham. In Munich, I studied under one of the world's greatest systematic theologians, Wolfhard Pannenberg, who rocked German theology by defending the resurrection of Jesus historically. And I wanted to work with Pannenberg on the topic of the resurrection of Jesus. And so that was what I did there. My doctoral thesis was on the historicity of the resurrection. And out of these two theses came arguments for the existence of God and the historicity of the resurrection that I still share every time I speak on university campuses, including in both the debates in Cork and Dublin.